Hey everyone, so it's Tuesday again, and we're doing another Docker interface. So this one is called Arcane. Again, I don't know if it's new, old, maybe it's in progress. I figure we'll take a look at it, set it up, and just kind of have a look around and just kind of see what it's like. They do let you know ahead of time that the all repos on GitHub have moved to Git Arcane app, just to be aware. So we're going to go into the official documentation for this. It's going to take us to the Get Arcane app site. We're going to do Get Started. Now we're going to come down to our Docker Compose file. We'll get our image name here. You know what? I usually have Portainer opened ahead of time. Ain't that something? All right, well, we'll do admin, our super secret password of 1234. We'll open her up, and we will add our container. We will call this Arcane. We will put in our pool. All right. Now for port, we want 3552. So map a port 3552 and 3552. All right. For our volumes, we will need the variable of the Docker sock. All right. So let's go back to Portainer. Let's go to our volume. We'll map an additional volume. We're going to bind. It'll be in the Docker sock and the Docker sock. We will need to make a folder for Arcane. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh, we already had downloads open ahead of time. Look at me trying to be ready and not be ready. We'll call this Arcane. We'll call this next folder data. Okay. So it's going to be in /app data. Make another volume, bind it, /app/data. And let's grab our data path. Go ahead and copy and paste. Excellent. So then we want app data projects. Okay. Let's map an additional volume. Bind. We want /app/data/projects. Okay. Yep, that is the format. So let's go back. We'll go into Arcane and we'll call this one projects. And we'll copy the path and we will paste our path. Let's see, what do we need now? For the environment, we need an app URL. Okay. So for environment, it was app_URL. Yes. App_URL. It wanted let's go ahead and paste our local host for that, including the port. We will need our process user ID, our process group ID. And remember, as always, to find your ID and group ID. So 1000 for me and 1000 for me. Now, the encryption key and the JWT secret key. In one of these years, I will finally break down and get a mouse, but this is not one of those times. So we have encryption key and our token, or secret, you so wish to call it. Now for here, I went on the generator page just to make it a little bit easier. This will not work. I'm going to be deleting this container. It's localhost only. You will not be able to use it. So generate and copy. Oh, it did not copy. What happened here? Oh, it's going to have me generate the compose. Maybe I can grab it out of that. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead and grab it out of the compose here. So you will have to click generate unless you use OpenSSL for yourself. I'm just doing this in the video. Go ahead and paste that in. One more over. Get the secret. Copy it. Move it over. That should be good to go. Okay. So let's try running our container now. So let's go up here and deploy. No such container. What did I do? Did I forget to put the GCH in there? I did. I got ahead of myself. So used to do it straight out of Docker and not using the GCH. Nope. There we go. I think that's right. Yeah. Now, can we pull it? Yeah, it looks like we're doing it now. That's my fault. I'm so used to doing it straight from the Docker hub. There we go. Let's check our logs real quick. It says it's running. The analytics, the heartbeat failed. Rate limited by analytics. Too many requests. Okay. That's fine. Alright. So let's try. Ooh, we got all capitals here again. Localhost 3552. There we go. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and close that. Close that. And what was the name again? It was Arcane Admin. Arcane Admin. And then password was Arcane. No. Let's go to Portainer and see what it was. I was hoping I could recall it while I have to look. Let's see, Arcane, logs. Ugh, a lot of requests. Oh, username was Arcane, and the password was Arcane Admin. I got it backwards. Let's go ahead and yoink that. Paste that. Arcane. There we go. Again, let's use our super secret of 1, 2, 3, 4. You change yours to something stronger, something better. Password 1, 2, 3, 4. Password 1, 2, 3, 4. That was Arcane Admin. Password. Password. There we go. Change password. Okay, now remember this is a virtual machine, but you'll kind of see your statistics, your containers. Right now I got Portainer and Arcane running. And then it shows you what images you actually have. Right now we have the one for Arcane, one for Portainer, and the unused Pi-hole one. It's also nice you actually get a file size as well. It shows you your operating system. It shows my Ubuntu VirtualBox. Wonder if we get any more information. Yeah, 2 running containers, no pause, no stop, 3 images, 3 cores, 11 memory. It actually shows you Go routines. That's actually pretty nice. A lot of information as well. So let's see, that's our dashboard. What are projects? Let's click create project together, see what this is. Oh, it's stacks. So stacks are projects. Okay. Environments. Customization templates. What kind of registries, variables, get repositories, get syncs. Okay, containers, images. Okay, it even gives you the tag you're using. That's kind of nice. When it was created. Okay, let's go back to, was it customization? So we can add Git repos again. Okay, let's try this. It was home music. We're not going to do that. We're just going to take it down instantly. Personal music service. And it was, I think, 192.168.50.212 and 3002. Excellent. Home music. Copy. And we'll paste that over. Add repository. Okay, repository was created successfully. Excellent. So now, let's test that connection. Test passed. All right, images. I would like to pull an image. Oh, I gotta enter a reference to it. So can I do that and then latest and then pull? No. I'll probably have to do that through a project, won't I? So create a project. Yeah. I'd have to get the compose file and all that stuff. Dang it. Well, I'm sure you could pull it and set it up without needing to download the entire thing, like setting up, pulling, and all that. Because with Gitty and Portainer, I've pulled my own music server, but I have just now started looking into this. I thought maybe we could set something up. I tried this thing on, was it Dockage? Dockhand? One of those docks. I tried it and did eventually get it working because I looked into it further. This is just another interface I wanted to get out there and let people see. But hopefully you had fun. Yeah, got some use out of this. And just so you can see, we're set up. All right. As always, everybody, hope it was useful for you. And I'll see you next Tuesday. Take it easy, everyone.